Hi, I'm Joey Miguel Junakino, an OFW for 12 years, and I'm currently working as a finance manager in a Canadian company in Doha.
And I am Stephanie May Andaya Aquino, an OFW, working as a nurse in Qatar for 9 years.
For several years po of working as an OFW, it came to a point that we were looking for a business na pwede po namin simulan while we are still working in Doha. A churchmate of ours introduced to us this Sunday opportunity.
At first, user lamang po kaming mag-asawa because of our belief in the health benefits that we can get by using this product.
Kasi ako ho, I have gallstones and I'm always complaining of the pain. And after taking Sante product, the gallstone was gone and the pain also was gone. But the business opportunity and our interest in the business came in when COVID-19 pandemic started earlier in March. Dahil lockdown po, and the bad news was, kalahati po ng sahod namin ay nawala. It was Sante business na naging answered sa aming mga prayers. It was Sante who provided dun sa nawalang portion ng aming sahod. We were just amazed sa laki na naitulong ng Sante during this pandemic. Imagine, for doing the business part-time, I was able to achieve my executive director level. A couple of months after, my wife also became an executive director.
Because of the very high demand of the products in the market, yung 2,000 reals ko or 16,000 pesos, I was able to upgrade it to e-franchising the Philippines. Yung husband ko naman was able to upgrade to e-franchising.
And in the same month of September, just lately, I was also promoted as a Gold Executive Director. In less than 6 months, ito yung resulta at na-achieve namin mag-asawa during Sante as part-time. Indeed, we have been reached by Sante's mission of helping people live a better life.
Again, I am Stephanie May Andaya Aquino, Executive Director.
And I am Joey Miguel Junakino, Gold Executive Director.
And we are on grass.